axle back exhaust right in here. What's up, YouTube? Today's the day. Today's the day we're putting the exhaust on the Integra. So let's get into it.
Jack, 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 Jack,
Right now we're heading to Steel Lung Exhaust. So we're gonna head over there right now, get it installed, get it sounding good. I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's get into it. If you guys haven't already, go watch my Road to Fuel Fest series. Go watch my Fuel Fest vlog. Fuel Fest was amazing. So happy we got to bring the car out. You know, it's unfortunate we didn't have the exhaust and the wing on the car, but you know, I'm grateful for how the car turned out. So please go watch that video. All right, y'all, we're arriving to the shop right now. Right now we're headed to a new spot that just opened up in Pembroke Pines called Bow Buddy. It's boba, it's JDM inspired. I'm gonna show you guys some more clips of the axle back that I installed and give you guys an update about the front lip. Something happened to the front lip, so. All right, y'all, look. JDM is outside. We made it. So I'm gonna get the boba inside. We're gonna rate the boba, so let's go. We just picked up the boba. I'm gonna see if I can find you guys some pictures of the spot inside because I didn't want to record inside. Yeah, guys, I was driving home from class. I felt scraping on the ground. And yeah, just take a look. The front lip is gone. But to be honest with y'all, like, the car doesn't look, I don't think it looks too, like, obviously because I got so accustomed to the front lip. But honestly, I think it still suits the car. It's just because I was attached to the front lip, but all in all, like, it's not that deep. It's just the front lip. So I think the car still looks, you know, pretty shabby. I mean, look at it. I mean, I will be replacing the front lip very soon, but for now, that's how we're gonna be sitting for the next couple months. So I guess we should enjoy it while it lasts. All right, y'all, that's the video for today. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you guys like how the exhaust sounds, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.